Hello. This is Online Queues, YouTube channel for online queries. In this video, I will show you how to download voice or audio clip from Telegram. If you are on a computer, open the message and then right-click on the voice clip. Then click Save As. Now choose where you want to download the file and done. If you are using Telegram mobile app, then you do not have any option to download the audio clip because the audio clip is automatically downloaded on your mobile phone. Go to File Manager and then find Telegram folder, then tap on Telegram Audio. The OGG files in this folder are the voices you are looking for. This is how you can download audio clip from Telegram. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.